Hey guys! Welcome back to Mama Quatang's channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make the fashion mask or the party mask. But before anything, I would like to say God is good all the time. You know guys, there's lots of reason to celebrate the month of June. First, hello summer! Summer is here! And then, Happy Father's Day. We just celebrated it last weekend. And then I have a good news to all of you. We reached now to 4,000 views. Yay! And I would like to thank everyone for all your support all this time, all the way since from the start up to this time, having 4,000 views. Thank you so much. And then also, we are celebrating this coming July 1st for the Pride Month celebration. But most of all, the special of all celebration is Papa Q's birthday! Yee! For the month of June. So there's lots of reason for us to celebrate the month of June. And we are so thankful about it. Grateful, thank the Lord about it, everything. So as you can see here, I got lots of finished product already for all our fashion masks, and later I'll show you how to make the mask into a party mask or the fashion mask. So as we are we're having an upcoming celebration for the Pride Month, so I am making lots of masks for Pride Month celebration. You know, that rainbow color. And then there's some also here. So I get lots of finished product designs for in preparation for the Pride Month celebration. So, and hello summer. So I am also making some of masks for fashion masks for summer. And as you can see, there's some flowers, and then but unfortunately all my butterflies, finished product of butterflies, are all sold out. So, and also of course sunflower. I have some one piece of left sunflower. All the rest of for summer fashion masks are all sold out. So okay, and then I'm also making some for our Father's Day celebration, as we celebrated last weekend. So if your dad or your father, your tata, your papa is a sporty dad or tatay, so this is the basketball face mask design. And then Papa Q's face mask, which is the soccer, his favorite sport, soccer. Okay, he also plays soccer during his university days. And also this is I don't know what and then this is also the soccer mask design. Okay, so and also this coming July 1st, we will celebrate Canada Day here in Canada. Of course, it's Canada Day, so Canada. So I also have some designs for ta-da! So I'm very happy and then very inspired to turn the mask into a very fashionable, and then having that kind of positive attitude facing all this pandemic, so not to be so negative with the situation we're having right now. So making all our masks into a fashionable ones. Okay, so okay, as I said, I'm gonna show you how to make our fashion mask or the party mask. So I have some finished product here. So this goes with the special. So we're talking about party mask. So I know you have lots of colors for your party dresses. So first to start with is the black color. So okay, this very beautiful. Look at. And then also the burgundy, the party dress. You have, I'm sure you have a burgundy party dress. So this matches your burgundy. Okay, and then also, of course, the purple, my favorite color, the purple. So you can, I know you have lots of good ideas there, and then lots of creative way how to make your party mask. So this is just some of my creations. And then, okay, so to start with, I have with me here some rhinestone strips. Okay, so it comes in a different styles and designs. And as you can see here, this smaller size for mask. So this is for the kids. Okay, and then I'll show you how to turn this mask into a party mask for kids. Okay, are you excited? Let's go! party mask ready? Are you ready to party? Okay, so as for your black dress, this face mask, this party mask is very matching to your black dress. Okay, so by the way, as for the pattern of the face mask and the sewing tutorial will be on the description box. Okay, so we have here also for the burgundy party dress, party face mask. Yeah, pretty. And for the kids, the pink girl for the kids, and also for the aqua blue party dress and the party mask. So pretty. So and my favorite color, the purple. So this will match with my purple dress too, the party dress purple. So you can do it yourself. You can make your own party mask to make it and turn it to a very fashionable one. So yeah, you can try and do it yourself. Try to check your party dress and try to make your own party mask. Okay, so there's the finished products. Ta-da! We have the black, the burgundy, the aqua blue, pink for kids, and the purple. My favorite of them all. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like and then we'll try to do it yourself and make your own party mask. That's all for this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to Mama Quatang's channel. Bye for now. God bless you all. I love you guys. Bye.